Good morning, my dear friends. Now we shall try to solve one problem on this creep of concrete. Okay, so I will read the problem now. A concrete beam of rectangular section 100 mm by 300 mm is pre-stressed with 5 wires of 7 mm 5 located at an eccentricity of 50 mm. Okay, see now, in a sense, the cable is located at an eccentricity of 50 mm. Okay, the initial stress in the wires being 1200 Newton per mm square. So he has given the initial pre-stress in the cable as 1200. Okay. Estimate the loss of pre-stress in steel due to creep of concrete using the ultimate creep strain and creep coefficient methods. In sense, by using both the equations, he has asked you to calculate the loss of pre-stress due to creep of concrete. Okay. So he has given the following data. FCU is equal to 42 Newton per mm square. Okay. FCU means it is your characteristic compressive strength of concrete. Okay. FCU. ES, in a sense, it is the Young's modulus of steel, 210 kilonewton per mm square. EC he has given, it is the Young's modulus of concrete, 35 kilonewton per mm square. H, ambient humidity, okay sir, now it is 0.8. And FCI means it is FR, it is 3/4 of FCU, in sense 3/4 of this value. Okay. And creep coefficient CC or phi, he says that you can take it as 2.5. Okay. So now we shall try to solve this problem now. Area can be calculated, it is 100 by 300 mm. Okay. Moment of inertia also can be calculated, it is BDQ by 12. Okay sir, now. So now, since now he has given ES and EC, so I can easily calculate the modular ratio M, it is ES by EC, so it gives you 6 value. Also the eccentricity is now 50 mm. Okay. So now, also he has given that the pre-stress is 1200 Newton per mm square. So I want to calculate the initial pre-stressing force. Okay. So stress into area of the cable. AS, Fs into AS. This is Fs into AS. Okay. It is Fs into AS. AS is the area of the cable. So pi by 4 into 7 square is the area of one cable. Such 5 cables have been now placed. Okay. So Fs into AS will give me the initial pre-stressing force. Okay. So now, Baba, now since the cable is laid at an eccentricity of 50 mm, I want to calculate the stress in concrete at the level of steel. Okay. So it is P by A plus or minus PEY by I. Okay. Here y is at the level of 50 mm because eccentricity is 50. Okay. So P I know, pre-stressing force I know, area I know, plus or minus P again I know, eccentricity is minus 50, it is below CGC. Y is also now minus 50 because I am calculating the stress FC at the level of CGS. Okay. I also I know. Okay. So it will give me 10.25 Newton per m square. So for now he has asked you to calculate the creep loss by using two equations. One is by using ultimate creep strain method. So for now I have already explained you by using ultimate creep strain method. Okay, the in sense now loss can be calculated by the equation epsilon CR FC into ES. Baba, FC just now we have calculated, it is 10.25. FC you know, and ES also you know, it is the Young's modulus of steel. Now epsilon CR is ultimate creep strain. So now we'll try to calculate this epsilon CR. See now, epsilon CR is given by, as you know, now